Just a medium range bathroom remodel provides the second best ROI of any investment you can make in your home, like 80%.
Financing made more sense in a fixed income situation.
People aren't aware that they can finance a home improvement project.
I think if someone rushes you through a financing agreement, I think that's a huge red flag.
Well, we have payment plan in the $250 to $300 a month.
I always like to go into the fine print. It's going to hit your budget differently.
Every homeowner story is different, and so is the way they finance their remodel. Let's look at a few real-world examples that we've seen here at HomePride.
That's often how it happens. People aren't aware of how it can be affordable. And the way we do that is either with a 12 months, no interest, no payments financing plan, or we do something as far as 15 years. Because what a lot of people don't know is on most loans or most financing these days, you can pay it off whenever you want. There's no early payment penalties. I get that asked all the time, and there's just no payment penalties, and so you can pay it off in 5 years even if you finance for 15.
There's a couple of choices you can go down, which is you can come up with the money yourself and write a check. There is financing available. Everything was made really easy to do. So, if you don't have a home equity line of credit on your house, there is financing available through HomePride, which is actually at a lower rate than the HELOC that you would probably get at a bank for your house.
This is not something new. It's a conversation we have with probably 50% of our customers. The interesting thing is like when we first start, they're going like, we can't afford this. And whether it's a safety issue or potentially even just an upgrade of the bathroom issue, we always kind of go around the fact that, it's never been quite as expensive as it is now, but it's never going to be this cheap again either. So when it's a safety related issue that I can actually remember from a call that I had last week, this lady that I met with, she's living alone on her own, and she's just the sweetest lady, but she lost her husband recently, and she's concerned about safety in her house. But she goes, I just don't know if I can afford this. I'm on a fixed income, and so we want to help folks like that. We definitely want to find any opportunity to help them wherever we can. So when they feel like they can't afford it, we look at a lot of different options. We look for making it a cost-effective shower, but also safe at the same time.
I really liked that they provided the 1-year interest-free option plan because we bought a new house. We had spent a lot of money recently, so we wanted to be able to have a year to come up with the money without worrying about paying any interest or coming up with the money right away. So that was a really nice option.
We decided when he showed us the payment plans that we would finance it through HomePride. And one of the best things that they showed us was that if we pay it off in the first year, that there's no interest charge. So we liked that part of it too.
Well, a lot of homeowners have a specific number in mind. And then when we present what an actual cost of a bathroom is, then they kind of are taken aback and they're not prepared for it. They haven't saved up enough. The project number is big, but when we can get it to something that fits their budget, it gives them that flexibility to move forward because, bathrooms aren't cheap. When we are able to tell them the real number, we've got to make it work for whatever, their situation is.
Just as this great state of Colorado has amazing diversity in its design, its scope, and its beauty, so too Coloradans are equally diverse with unique values, needs, and circumstances in life. The truth is, there isn't one best financing option. It depends upon your credit, your equity, the comfort level that you have with risk. We walk through all of this and more with you in our free in-home consultation. At HomePride, we do two things well. We build beautiful bathrooms, and we make them amazingly affordable. Next week, should you save or finance? We'll reveal the hidden costs of waiting. We'll see you then.